Well, there's a bit of a story as to why I chose Backyard Grannies. I was originally with another builder and we went quite a long way through the approval process with them and it wasn't a good experience, so I made the decision to change. Backyard Grannies definitely came out on top. We were looking for quality and a good relationship with an ethical builder who we could trust and communicate with, and that's what we got. The building went extremely well, better than expected. I think it started in mid-October. By Christmas, the roof was on already. And of course, now it's completed and we didn't have any issues.
And Mark was a lot less stressed with Backyard Grannies than with the previous company.
Yeah, we got quite a large backyard on the original investment property, which we've had for quite a while. And it just made sense to use that for further investment rather than buying another property. So it almost doubles the rental. And for the cost of building a granny flat, it just makes absolute sense.
I could honestly say I would live here if I could, because it's such a lovely little property and everything's so shiny and new. So we didn't think that we'd have a problem renting it out. I think if we did have to do this all over again, we would definitely choose Backyard Grannies, because it was not as stressful as I thought it would be. When there were any problems, they immediately fixed it. And yeah, we would, wouldn't we?
Yeah, I think if I was to do it again, I would have taken more due diligence in the first place, and probably would have been better if I'd gone with Backyard Grannies instead of someone else.